seen the title already, so yeah, let's remake this bad boy. So in my previous vlog, we made this sculpt, which is the 1975 Shatner sculpt, which is basically a remake of my other sculpt from my previous video, which is the Michael Myers mask. So yeah, let's start this bad boy. Oh yeah, my room is still messy as fuck, and I have no time to clean it, so fuck it, let's do this shit. So, I'm gonna say a lot of so in this video. If you're one of my followers on Instagram, I'm sure that you've seen this one, and yes, I am not getting tired of making this mask. As you can see, there are blood tears on it and a lot of weathering. And yes, I have improved a lot on making hairs, especially the hairlines and the weathering and everything. And yeah, there's the Jason voice.
I hate take me internally, forever yours, nocturnal me. Do or die, what's done is done. True beauty lies on the blue horizon. Who or why, what's one is one, in pure disguise of vulgar sons. Oh, take me internally, forever yours, nocturnal me. Take me internally, forever yours, nocturnal me.
So yeah, I've decided to make this a two-part video process because I've kept getting sidetracked so many times. And yeah, see you again in the next video. Bye.
My body will be forever yours, nocturnal.